Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, yes, again, continue working on my X5M Competition. In the previous episode, you guys remember, Yuri grind off everything inside. I weld those quarter panels back in and I bit it out the tailgate. So today's episode, my plan is to finish all the metal work. Pull out all the dings. I made some ding right there, little one. We obviously need to finish with the tailgate. I need to spot weld, not spotter. Anyway, that repair. As usual, gonna be borrowing from my friend. That's why we have good friends, right? Same thing with the bottom damages. Then we have damage on the driver A-pillar. And then we have a ding right here, which I made, and I need to take care of it. And few dings probably here and there. I'm gonna go over all of them. And also what I need to do, and not to forget, originally I thought I'm gonna panel bond this area right here, and guess what? I was too hurried and I totally forgot to panel bond this. That means now only one option that I have is to weld it. So yep, this area from here to there is gonna be completely welded from both sides. We're gonna grind off all the welds, prepare everything for priming, maybe seam sealing, maybe body bundle, maybe even gonna start do bundle work, but we'll see, depends how this day is gonna go. Last episode I was planning to grind off and prepare everything for today's episode bundle, but you guys saw how long everything takes. That's why let's take those two doors apart while I'm gonna be welding front pillar. Yeah, we still don't have this piece right here installed. While I'm gonna be welding this in, Yuri gonna take care of this quarter panel welds. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Let's begin this fun. 2 hours later, and this side is complete for the bodywork. Body filler gonna be on the quarter panel, and inside here, B filler, and then the quarter panel right here. All of this, none of the bundle is gonna be here. Maybe slightly here, but probably not. I'm just gonna do the seam sealer, and that's it. That way I don't have to bundle and do anything, and it's kind of gonna look a factory, but not, but you're not gonna notice it, and you can't even tell, and that's not gonna affect anything, right? So since this side is done, we're gonna drag the vehicle here, finish the other side, and maybe, just maybe, if I will have enough gas, I mean, I will start welding, but I think I might gonna end up welding this much, and I'm gonna be out of gas for the welding. I guess you guys can see we welded a lot, so the gas tank went out pretty fast. So yeah, let's get to another side, repeat the process, and move from there. So what is it? 5 hours grinding?
Minimum.
Huh?
Minimum. Or
Minimum?
Right now.
Today?
5, 6.
Plus what? Another 2 hours? And just like that, I'm finished with this side also. So what I wanted to do right now is get the 320 on DA and go all over those places where I'm gonna be applying body filler or glazing putty. I'm gonna apply it here, throughout where the welds were, this part of the quarter panel, nothing in here, but right here I wanna wait and get the kitty hair instead of using the body filler, because I feel like this is where it tweaks more when vehicle goes on the bumps, you know. So it will have extra string here instead of just a body filler. Other than that, that's how it looks. And basically same thing on this side. Kitty hair, absolutely nothing around, maybe just the primer with the self edge, body filler around, and of course body filler here. But here I'm gonna have to do a lot of work with the body filler because all this is just, it's been bit up a little since I was working on it, but it's okay, I can get it done. So right now 320 on a DA, sand everything, blast everything off, mix a body filler and apply it. And then of course sanding. I'm finally done with preparing everything for body filler. Oh man, I thought it's gonna be bzik, 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 bzik. As usual. As usual, you think like, it's not so much, right? DA 150, some places 320, it's done. Not that simple. one side plus this side. 2 hours. Wow, that's insane. Yeah, guys, that's how it goes. I'm already 12 hours in the shop. And you see exactly how much I did it. I mean, I came in, what I basically did, realistically, I did a lot of work, but technically what I did, grind off the welds and basically sand off all the burnt edges and sand it with the 150 and 320. Now I can apply a body filler everywhere without being worried that some place needs to be sand. Now I can apply it, let it dry, and sand it again. If some needs to be reapply it, sand it. But that's gonna be next episode, because I honestly thought that I'm gonna be able to do this in this episode, but obviously I can't. So I guess we're gonna continue next one. If you wanna see inside Scooby for YouTube, check out Instagram. Other than that, I'll catch you next one.